The new A1 Sportback also emphasizes a resemblance to the Audi Ur-quattro and Sport Quattro when viewed from the side. The wide, flat-sloped C-pillar seems to push the car forward even while standing still. The roof contrast line, which is available in two dark colors, ends over the C-pillar. This gives the impression that the roof is flatter and the complete car is even lower slung. All lines on the flanks for the window edge to the sill slope upward toward the rear in a wedge shape. The distinctively highlighted wheels and the low shoulder line in between give the A1 Sportback a solid stance on the road. The low line between the fender edges draw the visual focal point downward even further. With the S-Line equipment, Audi has emphasized the sporty character even more through numerous features. These include large air inlets, additional sills trims, an elongated slit centrally below the hood with two fins and a large rear wing. The top-of-the-line engine is also recognizable with its striking twin tailpipes. Whether running around town or going on a weekend excursion, its powerful engines is particularly making driving the new Audi A1 Sportback so much fun. There is a choice of efficient gasoline engines with outputs ranging from 95 horsepower to 200 horsepower. Turbocharging, direct injection, and particulate filter are standard. Audi is making a manual transmission or the 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission available for all engines. The exception is the top-of-the-range engine, where a 6-speed S-tronic transmission shifts gears as standard. The sportiest interior in the compact class. That was the standard aim of the design. The interior is accordingly driver-focused with its emotion, customization, and design. The eye is drawn in particular to the sporty compact unit of the air vent nozzles, hood, and the digital instrument cluster. All of the controls and the optional MMI touch display are strongly driver-oriented, thus emphasizing the special cockpit character. The display and the air vent strips on the front passenger side are integrated into an area in black glass look. The display and the air vent strip on the front passenger side are integrated into an area in a black glass look. The optional color and ambient lighting package brings the interior design to life in the dark if desired through LED light elements in 30 selectable colors.